If you like snow-covered mountains, then you should stick around for this video on the Kepler trek in New Zealand's South Island back in 2017. It's 6:30 and the sun is rising now over the mountains in the background. Really nice. And still no clouds at all. Doesn't look like we had any snow tonight. We got our first little remnant of the avalanche. It's a very small one, but you can see the snow came down here a little bit. And luckily we have a lot of bushes here, just in case you fall down. And once you get around that corner, it should be better again. Yeah, we came down from this one. Looks quite high from here now. And now we're going around towards the Hanging Valley shelter. The other shelter that we just passed was closed actually. So if you really need an emergency shelter, it's closed. And once we reach the Hanging Valley shelter, we will be out of the avalanche zone. And then from there it should be easy going to the Irish burn hut. So far so good. Yeah, I think this peak is the highest point we will get to. It's about 1,450 meters. You can see the lake again down there. And yeah, wow. We're going to continue the ridge on this mountain now and then go down into the valley. Wow, certainly the best hike in New Zealand so far. And we're so lucky that the weather is that great because 3 days without snow now. It's quite uncommon. We're in the end of spring now, so getting warmer and warmer. Last chance to see these landscapes in the snow. yeah, this is the end of the avalanche area. As you can see, there's no snow at all here anymore. And I put some stairs here, but the stairs are actually more dangerous than walking the snow. Yeah, I made it down to Iris Bernhard now after 7.5 hours of walking through the snowy mountains today. It was a tough day. I took a lot of pictures. Probably otherwise it would have been a bit faster. But yeah, it's a good time for the snow that we had to go through, and it's only 4 PM now, so we still have quite some time of daylight left. Actually, it's really cloudy now. So yeah, time to get this stuff dry and relax a little bit. Tomorrow we have another 6-hour walk. After the first passage through the forest, we came to this open valley now, and it's a really nice hike. We got some nice views looking back, and a few cool waterfalls on the right side here. We made it to Motorlau hut here just in time for lunch. It's 1 PM now. Yeah, not sure if anyone is there. It's pretty empty again. But the good thing about this hut is it has a really nice location right next to the lake here. That's pretty awesome. I wouldn't mind staying here for the night. Wow, beautiful with the mountains. Really refreshing, and I would really love to hang out here a little bit because it's actually nice and warm in the sun, but the sandflies are really annoying, so I think I have to get into the hut now. Dinner. Thank you so much for sticking around to the very end of this video. I really hope you liked the content, and if you did, please consider subscribing using the bell icon as well to make sure you're not missing any of the new content. And I would also love to hear about your feedback in the comments.